The fun fan, the fun fan, yeah! We're gonna have one of the best family fun nights we've ever done. As you can see, we've already got our big little minis there, and we have our scoreboard with a pen right there.
So what we have here
is our guns. They're
Star Wars
designed.
guns that we got. You get them for your birthday or Christmas?
I think I got it for Christmas, I think.
Christmas time.
And this.
And they make that neato noise.
No, we got for birthday. We got for birthday.
Birthdays? They make that neato shooting noise. But they also shoot these neat little bullets. So there we go.
And,
right,
and
now
we
it's
also
Mandy's
have
turn.
a different kind.
Oh yeah, a little one.
We have a little one. It has a different puller than the other one. And it sounds a lot different. It doesn't make a cool noise either. And they're designed, they're Nerf, they're not Star Wars. And I think my brother got it for his birthday or Christmas.
So here's what we're gonna do.
We got a game right here. We're gonna try and shoot all these. I'll tell you the points.
I am stomping on the people. I am stomping on the people.
So, all of them right here. So all of them right here are 1 point.
That's right.
And then the ones like up here are 2 points. And then those back these two guys are 3. And these are 4. And then these are 5. And as you're guessing, you probably think it's 6. But nuh-uh, it's 10.
Are you guys ready to start playing?
Yes! Okay, let's pick out our bullets.
Okay, guys, Mandy, while Alex is setting that up, tell me, what are the rules?
The rules are, wait your turn, don't shoot while someone else is shooting, don't shoot at someone's face, don't point it at someone's face, don't look inside the thing.
You kind of like
And always point it up or down, so you don't hurt anyone.
Okay, go!
Oh!
he missed! Oh, that was close! Oh, that was so close!
Close!
How many was that?
I got 4 tries. If I get 3, I'll be happy.
Oh!
I got lucky! 1, 2, sweet!
3 points.
I got 3 points. No, set them
Wait,
back up.
was that your whole turn?
Yeah, he did 5. Oh, mister. I'm ready. Shoot the guns. I get what I should put. Probably not. Sometimes I go up.
Oh, you're doing a one-handed approach? Not yet. She's got 4 more shots. Can't believe your first shot got the 10-pointer. My gosh. That was amazing.
I just got the coolest bullets ever. I mean, look at that. Look at all those.
Yep.
They're all so cool. I just, my last turn. Shoot for me good. Yeah! Oh, so lucky! So lucky! So lucky! So lucky!
All right.
10, 12, 14. 14!
Those were worth 2. What were those worth? 2?
2.
All right.
So whose turn is it to shoot?
It's my turn, and I got the pistol because I'm cool like that. I'm going to use 2 hands to shoot. You ready?
And he's using my bullets. Those are mine. So let's see what
Your gun, too. You ready?
Yeah, let's see how quick he
I'll give the
goes.
little guys. The 1-pointers. All for me.
Oh, so close.
2, 1. Oh!
Look it, baby.
We got 4 more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more turn. 4 more.
That means
Oh, wait, that down.
That means I got 7 altogether.
Go, mommy, in the side. Go, mommy, you're gonna make it. Go, shoot. She's closing one eye. She's doing it best. Cha-cha-cha. Yeah. Too bad you got none, but it's okay. Come on, Alex. 3, 2, go, mommy. Shoot! Yeah, now. Go, mommy, go. You got nothing
I'll be
again.
going for the 10
That's
pointer.
too bad.
She is not messing around.
already
She's
got
going straight for the 10.
pointer.
I didn't get anything?
Got one.
I got one.
This is what you do. You take the gun.
Let me see if I can get this just right. Oh my god.
Aim.
Wait, is that mine?
Shoot.
Oh my god.
Yeah, good
I put mine
shot. Good
behind me.
shot. Good job. Yeah. Good job.
So guys, I got my tallies right here, and I'm going to be counting them up. So I'm gonna go last place to first place. Alex wasn't last. Alex was last. Mom was.
Third.
Yeah, but I don't know right now.
Just write 3RD.
D, and then Daddy was. I'm gonna wait until second, and then I
Nah.
first.
Yeah.
There's my dad.
That's because you got that one lucky shot at the beginning.
Yeah, I actually got the 10 first try. I mean, so lucky, so lucky. I was extremely lucky again. Okay, so we finished this video. I hope you liked it. There's going to be another video on YouTube. It's going to be about golf. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I also hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to do a thumbs up and like and do 1,000 views and subscribe.
So that's it for our shoot 'em up target shooting video with our what kind of guns are those?
Star Wars.
Our Star Wars Nerf bullet gun thingies.
Yes, I got it.
We don't have the packaging
I got
anymore.
it.
We just
I
wanted to do
won.
some target shooting. It was a fun family fun night, and we'll see you next time on the Fun Fam.
The fun fam. Aw.
They're far too distracted to
The
care about
fun
anything
fam.
right now.
Fun fam. The fun fam.
So
Yeah.
maybe that one.
The fun fam. Yeah.